In this video, we'll be telling about how to create new avatar in WhatsApp. For this, first what we need to do is take your smartphone. After taking your smartphone, open WhatsApp application. In WhatsApp application, above you can see three dots. Click on these three dots. Here you can see one option, settings. Click on settings. In settings, you can see one option, avatar. Click on avatar. In avatar, you can see one option, create your avatar. Click on create your avatar. When you are clicking on that, you can see loading avatar. After that, here you can see get started option. Click on get started. Now first what we need to do is you need to select your skin tone. I am selecting this skin tone. After that, click on next button. After that, you need to set your hairstyle. After that, here you can see so many options. Click on these options. Second option is hair color. If you want to change hair color, you can do that. After that, here you can see outfit. If you want to change your outfit, you can do that also. I am selecting this outfit. After that, here one more option is there, body. If you want to change your body type, you can do that also. If you are fat, you can select that. If you are slim, you can select according to that. After that, here you can see one more option, eye shape. If you want to change your eye shape, you can do that also. And here so many options are there. If you want, you can change your eye color. And if you want eye makeup, you can do that also. And here eyebrow option is there. If you want to change your eyebrow, you can do that. If you want to change your eyebrow color, you can do that also. And if you want to put bindi, you can do that also. And if you want to change nose shape, you can do that also. In nose shape, here three options are there, small, medium and large. You can select according to your facial features. And here nose piercing option is also there. If you want, you can add that also. Here mouth option is there. If you want to change mouth shape, you can do that also. If you want to change lip color, you can do that. And if you want to change face shape, you can do that. Here narrow, medium and wide option is there. In my case, it is narrow. So I am selecting narrow and I am selecting this. After that, here some options are there. Jawline. You can set your jawline. And if you are having any face marking, you can add that also. If you want to add face lines, you can do that also. And if you are having facial hair, you can add that. For example, I am selecting this. After this, if you want to change color of your facial hair, you can do that also. And here so many options are there. If you want ear piercing, you can do that. And if you are having eyewear, you can set that. And if you want to add headwear, you can add that also. And if you want to change color, you can do that also. Anyway, set this avatar according to your need. After that, above you can see done button. Click on this done button. Here you can see save changes. Click on save changes. Now your avatar is set. After that, down here you can see next button. Click on next. Now here you can see your avatar. If you want your avatar stickers, here you can see browse stickers. Here you can see so many stickers according to your avatar. And here create profile photo option is there. If you want to create profile photo with this avatar, you can do that also. Here so many photos are there. You can select whichever you want. And you can also change background color. And after this, to set this avatar as profile photo, click on this tick button. Now that avatar will be set as profile photo. If you are going back, you can see that avatar as your profile photo. Now if you want to edit this avatar, here edit button is there. Click on this edit button and you can edit this avatar. And if you want to delete this avatar, delete avatar option is there. Click on this delete avatar and here you can see delete button. Click on this and your avatar will be deleted. So this way you can create your own avatar in WhatsApp, and if you want, you can also delete that avatar. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.